Hello everyone, right now I will read about Biology Basics paragraph. Welcome to your very first tutorials in biology. Now in this video series, I want to talk to you guys about many different topics concerning biology. For example, I want to talk to you guys about DNA and genetics in cells, in bacteria, in life, and a whole bunch of interesting stuff. But since this is the very first video, I think what we should do in this video is just stick with the very basics. And the first thing I want to do is talk to you guys about what is biology. So let's go ahead and answer the question. And the definition of biology is this: the study of life in living organisms. Alright, that makes sense up to a certain point up until organisms, because you may have heard of organisms before. And you may have your own definition, but the scientific definition of an organism is a living thing. Wow, that's easy. We know what living things are. I'm a living thing. Plants, grass is a living thing. My puppy named Odin, cutest puppy ever. By the way, it's a living thing, but whenever we talk about living things, believe it or not, things get complicated because then you have to ask yourself, what is life? Well, of course, if you ask your grandma or your best friend, or even if you ask a philosopher what is life, everyone is going to give you kind of a different definition of the outlook on life. However, whenever scientists and biologists were first deciding, you know what is life? That's the problem, that they had anyone had their own separate definition of life itself. So, what they need to do before biology was even invented, which is, of course, the study of life, is scientists needed to agree on the definition of life.